Good day. Welcome to today's planning briefing for January 30th. I'm Alex Lokenbiel, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Missoula. Let's begin by taking a look at the main threats we're expecting through the weekend. We will see some breezy winds develop on Friday, and winds are expected to increase on Saturday and peak during the afternoon and early evening hours. Across valley locations, we're expecting 25 to 35 miles per hour, with some gusts approaching 45, potentially even 50 miles an hour. We will see this cold front bring some light valley snowfall late Saturday into Sunday as it moves across the region. Beginning Saturday afternoon and evening, heading into Sunday, we're expecting a moderate snowfall in the mountain locations. We will see much colder conditions behind the front Sunday, with below normal temperatures expected Monday and Tuesday, as temperatures run about 5 degrees below normal. Let's take a look at the wind speeds and wind gusts we're expecting Saturday afternoon. On the left, you'll see an image of the wind speed with the wind direction as well. Wind directions will be from the south-southwest, so east to west running roads will be prone to crosswinds. Some of the stronger wind speeds we're expecting to see are going to be across the Camas Prairie and the vicinity of Grangeville, and in the southern Bitterroot Valley, in the southern Mission Valley, the Flathead Valley, and in the higher terrain, where we'll see some of those stronger wind gusts above 40 miles per hour, even approaching 50 miles per hour at times. On the right-hand side, you'll see what we're expecting to see for the peak wind gusts Saturday afternoon. Lots of 35 to 40 mile per hour ranges in the valleys. In the higher terrain, we're expecting to see wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Some of the impacts we're going to be seeing from these gusty winds Saturday afternoon could see some displaced personal items, trampolines, garbage cans, things of those nature. And there could also be some localized areas where some downed trees and power lines could occur. Transitioning now, taking a look at what we're expecting for snowfall with this system. I'll begin taking a look at Marias Pass. I really just want to highlight the timing and evolution of the snowfall. You'll notice in the temperature graph at the bottom, this is a warm system to start out. So Saturday, temperatures are well above freezing with snow levels well above past level. And then a really strong cold front moves through late Saturday afternoon and early evening. Temperatures drop pretty rapidly, and we'll see a burst of snow across northwest Montana passes Saturday late afternoon into Sunday morning. Further south, for areas like Lookout Pass, the timing shifted a little bit later, so here we'll see the burst of snow late Saturday evening into Sunday morning. And then further south for Lolo Pass, timing shifted just a little bit later as well. The system's moving in from the northwest, so a band of snow will really impact the higher elevations with time Saturday afternoon through Sunday morning as you head north to south. We're not super confident yet on the snowfall amounts, but the timing, we're a little bit more confident. The timing of the front could shift about 6 hours earlier or later, depending how the models trend, but overall, snowfall amount confidence is about low to moderate, timing moderate confidence. Take a look at the weather threat matrix, where some of the big impacts we're expecting through Tuesday next week. The winds are the main message that we really want to point out. So we'll see those winds peak once again Saturday afternoon, early evening. And as the front comes through, there will be a brief period of some valley snowfall as the front moves through Saturday night into Sunday morning. And areas that have snow on the ground will be prone to blowing snow. So it's not going to be widespread blowing snow, but there will be localized areas where the visibility will be significantly reduced in fairly short time durations. The West Glacier region and Lemhi County area, where there is more snow on the ground, that's where we could see some potentially longer duration of blowing snow. We're not expecting it to be too much of an impact, but it's something you should be aware of. And then on Monday, it's a behind the front, it's a fairly dry system, so we'll see a little bit of ongoing light snow showers continuing, but we're not expecting much accumulation. Tuesday, we could see another system move in late during the day, Tuesday night into Wednesday sort of deal. With that, and that would be widespread snowfall for all elevations, potentially. What are we expecting a little bit longer out, 6 to 10 days from now? Taking a look at the precipitation outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. We're favored to get above normal precipitation. As far as the temperatures go, equal chances of below average or above average temperatures, so not a whole lot to lean on there. Key point is we will get into a kind of a more active pattern next week. Thanks for attending our briefing. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to give us a call. Have a great weekend.